Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter 10, Flow of Water. Water is liquid that flow from a particular direction to the particular one. You have seen water always flow from upward to downward direction, means हमेशा वो ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ flow करता है. कभी भी आपने नहीं देखा होगा कि वो नीचे से ऊपर flow करता है. It always flows from upward to downward direction. During rainy season, water that continue to flow on the roads and it fall from the waterfall in the rivers also it's continue to flow. We use water from the well, from ponds and from other water sources. Generally in our country, farming it depends on the rainfall. If rainfall is enough means बारिश अगर बहुत अच्छी होती है then there is no problem of water for the crops. फार्मिंग के लिए या क्रॉप्स के लिए हमें और पानी लगाने की या मिलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. बट इफ़ रेन इज़ नॉट इनफ इट इज़ स्कैंटी. स्कैंटी का मीनिंग है कम. तो अगर बारिश कम होगी देन वी हैव टू गिव वाटर additionally to the plants or to the crops according to their requirements, and this process is known as irrigation. इसका मतलब है कि फार्मिंग में क्रॉप्स को जो हम पानी पिलाते हैं we make the water available for the crops. This process is known as irrigation. Different methods of irrigation we use. On the earth, water is present as underground water also, and it is present in the surface area also in the form of lake, river, pond, etc. And water from all these sources we can use for irrigation. But we need some equipment to use that water, because water that is present as a groundwater, we have to take it out in different ways. And we have to take water from lake, river, well and step well also, but with the help of some equipment. We cannot use it directly, like हम एक bucket से उसे नहीं ले सकते हैं, because irrigation needs a big amount of water. So if we want to take out water from well and step well, we have to use motor or rahat, and some different methods of using water from different water sources, that are by using sprinkler water system, by using tube well, by making canals, etc. India is a large country in which climatic conditions are different, and according to the climatic conditions different types of crops that are grown in different areas. These crops are different from each other, that's why they requirement different amount of water. मीन्स हर एक जो क्रॉप है या डिफरेंट टाइप की जो क्रॉप्स होती है उनको अलग अलग अमाउंट में पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. सम ऑफ द प्लांट्स दे नीड मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एंड सम नीड लेस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. फॉर एग्जांपल राइस, शुगर कैन, पैडी, इन्हें ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. बट पीज, ग्राम, अनियन, क्यूकम्बर, दीज रिक्वायर लेस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. फॉर इरिगेशन, one of the main equipment that we use, it is known as rahat. What is rahat exactly? It's a large wheel like structure on which it's a large wheel like structure on which different vessels or containers are attached. Like you can see in the picture, this is a large wheel on which some small vessels or containers are attached. This wheel-like structure is arranged close to the well or step well. As it rotates, this whole wheel goes inside the water and these containers are filled with water, and when it comes out, the water it comes down and then goes to the field with the help of some different structures or with the help of drains. Now some words are given here like parapet. This is the railing of the well. यानी कि जब ये राहत से पानी बाहर आता है, इट फॉल्स ऑन द पैरापेट, उसकी वेल की जो सराउंडिंग होती है, वॉल होती है या रेलिंग होती है, उस पर ये पानी गिरता है, एंड लेटर ऑन इट फ्लो थ्रू द ड्रेन्स एंड देन रीचेस टू द फार्म और वॉट एवर and reaches to the different areas like farms. Now the rotation of the wheel is done with the help of oxen. पुराने टाइम में most of oxens are used for the movement of rahat, but nowadays electric motor is also used for the rotation of this wheel. When this rahat rotates या इसका जब wheel rotate करता है, some different functions are also done with the help of this movement. For example, sugarcane juice extracting machine can be run with the help of this rotation. sugarcane का जूस निकालने की जो मशीन होती है उसे बीच में फिक्स कर देते हैं और रोटेशन के साथ ये मशीन भी रोटेट होती है और sugarcane का जूस एक्सट्रैक्ट होता है. With that गानी मशीन कैन बी फिक्स्ड. गानी मशीन का मतलब होता है अ मशीन टू एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑयल फ्रॉम द मस्टर्ड और फ्रॉम द सेसेमी सीड. सो दिस कैन बी सेड किलिंग 2 birds विद 1 stone मीन्स आप एक ही मशीन से 2 काम कर सकते हो. नाउ डेज सम डिफरेंट इक्विपमेंट कैन बी फिक्स्ड दैट आर यूज फॉर जनरेटिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो ट्यूबवेल हम मोटर हम यूज कर रहे हैं just for the rotation of wheel, and with that electricity can also be produced. Some other methods of irrigation, for example in this picture you can see that a tube well is taking out groundwater and later on it goes to the farm with the help of some drains that are made in that farm. This is called the sprinkler water system or through a fountain. इसमें पानी एक पाइप के थ्रू ऊपर आता है, then it's spread in the form of sprinkles. This method actually saves water क्योंकि कम अमाउंट में पानी होता है but it will reaches to all plant. Some other methods that is known as means different methods can be used, that is moat, dhekli, etc. ड्रिप इरिगेशन इज़ वन ऑफ द मॉडर्न मेथड जिसमें पाइपलाइन का पूरा नेटवर्क होता है और वाटर कम्स आउट ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप एंड रीचेस टू ऑल प्लांट्स.